close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
What's up, beautiful people? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sue Henry, back again with a new video. And in today's video, guys, it's just short and sweet video because it's just a reminder of the things that you should make sure that you clean at least. You can clean as many times as possible, but at least make sure you clean these items every month. So here I'm just making my breakfast. Before I start my cleaning, I'm just having black tea and burger. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.
No, I don't want no.
The first thing that we are going to start with is the fridge. The fridge is where we keep all our meals that we are going to be preserving, so it needs to be clean all the time. So for this, I'm going to be using just a cotton towel, absorbable cotton towel, and Dr. Beckman fridge and microwave hygiene cleaner. Guys, what you do here, you just spray the Dr. Beckman on the fridge surface and then wipe it out using the fabric cotton towel. And then, guys, it doesn't have to be Dr. Beckman to clean your fridge. You can also use the mixture of vinegar and the sodium bicarbonate. I know I have a video that I did how to clean your fridge and how to make the sodium bicarbonate and vinegar solution, so you can visit that video. I'm also going to link it just up here and in the description box. Just go back and check the video and know how you can make the solution of vinegar and sodium bicarbonate to clean your fridge. Never forget to clean up this rubber part of the fridge because it usually harbor a lot of dirt. And guys, for my fridge compartment, I'm going to be cleaning them using dish soap and running water. You can also use the Dr. Beckman, but today they're so dirty and I need to clean them better, so I'm going to use the running water and dish soap. I will then later allow them to dry up and then return them to my fridge. And guys, don't mind the mess. This is the food from my fridge. So the second thing, guys, that we need to be cleaning frequently is the microwave. We need to always clean this microwave at least once a month, because this is where we usually warm our food. And when warming our food, I know some food usually splashes on the microwave surfaces and it needs to be cleaned regularly. If not regularly, you can clean it at least once a month. This will keep you off from infections, from diseases, and will ensure that your food is always clean whenever you are warming it.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
For the microwave plate, you can also use Dr. Beckman cleaner, and also you can clean it with running water and soap. It's your choice. Guys, the other thing that we should always ensure that we clean in the kitchen is the kettle, the hot water kettle. I know this is always forgotten, but actually this is what we should clean most frequently, because this is what we use most of the time heating our water. Yeah, I know. So this is something that usually we forget. Let's clean it frequently. Guys, our oven and our gas cooker. You can see mine is stained. Look at my oven. Even the plates are dusty. They're even having stains because I usually use this so many times. And guys, for this I'm going to be using Astonish extra strength grease lifter. I'm going to spray this in the oven so that it can lift all the grease in the oven. It works perfectly. And then I'm going to leave that for a while so that it can be able to lift the grease. And meanwhile, I'm going to be cleaning the gas cooker. It has a lot of stains, so I need to clean it. I'm first going to wipe off the particles, the food particles on it. And guys, for this I'm going to be using Astonish oven and cookware cleaner. You can use this for the oven also, but for the oven I used Astonish grease lifter. So the first thing that I do here, I'm going to sprinkle a little amount of water so that the Astonish can be easily spread on the cooker. You can see the stains are coming off without me struggling. And guys, I have a hack for you on how you can remove excess oil on this space. You can use a spoon, you can use a fork or a blade knife, as I'm using a blade knife now to remove this excess oil and clean my cooker. And guys, this is the area where a lot of oils usually splash when cooking, so I'm going to wipe it with Astonish grease lifter so that it can lift the excess oil. By now we can clean the oven. We can wipe off the grease lifter, and for that I'm going to be using a disposable kitchen cloth, because be sure when you use your kitchen cloth it's going to stain, so it's advisable to use a disposable one. You can see.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
This is the dirt from the oven. So for the disposable cloth I only had one, so I just had to use my kitchen cloth to continue wiping the excessive dirt. And guys, I'm grateful because it's cleaning up well. Also for the oven plates and the gas stands, I'm going to be cleaning them in the sink using the running water and the dish soap.
I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat.
Guys, the other places that you're supposed to clean at least monthly is your cabinet. You can use the grease lifter on your cabinet so that you can be able to lift the grease that usually stick on the kitchen cabinets when cooking in the kitchen. So it's advisable that you wipe your kitchen cabinets like every month or frequently as possible. You can see how the grease is being lifted easily using the grease lifter. Those are just a few items that you should clean at least every month or as frequent as possible. Guys, we have come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching until this point. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And until the next video, bye bye. Take care of yourselves.